try these, huh? We'll see.
2.
I'm not sure if it can be done. We'll try. They're probably ready. They're probably ready.
They will melt.
They're ready. That's pretty perfect right there.
But you can have them.
Okay.
I like more normal mini marshmallows.
Oh, you just like them normal, not roasted? You just like to roast them, huh?
No, I don't like to roast them.
I like the minis better, I think.
Yeah, not the big ones. Those big ones don't even fit in my mouth.
Yeah, these are just the perfect size, huh?
Yeah, you're the perfect size for a little kid.
Look at them. Whee!
Hey, Mama, you have to turn and turn so you can get normal mini marshmallows. I like to sit down here.
What do you think about that little pumpkin crate right there? Does it look professional? Does it look like Martha Stewart did it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Trying to get that guy the other night, but he was done right when we got here, so I thought since we were fishing downtown tonight, I'd stop in there while he was playing and let y'all hear him play a little bit. That guy is really good.
To the fall scene. It's starting to get dark on me out here, but y'all have given me some really good ideas of something different to do with the basket here, so we're gonna see which one we like. Man, that's heavy. This is the smushy one. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I think I'm gonna leave the leaves. One of the ideas was to turn it on its side and have it like the pumpkins are spilling out. I've tried that before. I think I actually tried that last year. I'm not good at that. Maybe we can try it like this. Let's try this. Let's do it on its side. I'll try the spilling out thing. Or you know what? Let's just do it like a shelf. I can do that, I think. Let's do a shelf look. Oh, I'm liking it already. I'm liking it better already. Yes. I need a few more pumpkins. We'll get some more. Or squash things. Now let's see if we can do something with our leaves. See, we help each other. That's cute. But now I don't know if I like this towel showing, because it doesn't match this one. Or does that look rustic? That's better than the other way anyway. Alright y'all, it is now a little bit after 9 o'clock at night, and we're getting a head start on breakfast in the morning. We're making a sausage and brown sugar cinnamon bagel casserole. That's a really long name. And the recipe that I got this idea from was actually called good morning casserole. So we'll call this one wake up casserole. So I'm cooking the sausage over here, and we're gonna go ahead and slice up some of these bagels. I'm not gonna need this whole bag. We've already eaten some of these, y'all. They are really good. It's the Pepperidge Farm. It's brown sugar cinnamon. I almost said cinnamon raisin, but there are no raisins. It's just brown sugar cinnamon. We tried them with pumpkin spice cream cheese and this brown sugar cinnamon. This with these, amazing. The pumpkin spice was good too. Jonah really liked the pumpkin spice this morning. That was his favorite. But the rest of us loved this one. It is so good. I like the pumpkin spice one too, but that brown sugar cinnamon one was my favorite. Sorry, this sausage is gonna get a little bit loud. I've got it. Instead of the wake up casserole, we'll call it the Rise and Shine Casserole. That has a better ring to it. So I saw this idea in a really old magazine, and it was like a Christmas. I'll bring y'all over here so the sausage isn't so loud. It was, I mean, I say it was a Christmas because it had dried cranberries and stuff in it, walnuts, I think, in it, and sage sausage. We're not using sage sausage, we're just using just regular mild sausage. Now, you definitely want to make this the night before, since we're using bagels, because they need to have plenty of time to soak up the egg mixture. Okay, we're gonna sprinkle over the sausage now. Spread, sprinkle, drop, like I did over here. I'm getting sleepy. It's just me and Sissy and Manly here right now, and Manly's already gone to bed. She's getting to stay up a little later with me tonight. Titus and all the other boys, and Cody, one of the boys' friends, went to look at a truck. In this bowl, we need 6 eggs. Sissy's gonna start whisking those, and I'm gonna add in a 1.5 cups of milk and a 1.5 cups of cream. A teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we just pour the mixture all over the top. This is smelling amazing. I'm just gonna go around and press any of the bagel pieces that didn't get some of the mixture. We're just gonna press them down a little bit. And we're gonna cover this with plastic wrap, and it's going in the refrigerator until wake up time, or rise and shine time. It does get a topping, but we won't make that until in the morning when we're ready to put it in the oven. Alright y'all, it's the next morning. We're gonna make the topping now for the sausage and bagel casserole. I have 3/4 cup of softened butter. It got a little bit melted, that's okay. Now we're gonna put 1 cup of brown sugar, some chopped pecans. I probably have about 1/2 cup left in here. We're just gonna put all these. And 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And we're just going to use a fork and mix all of this together and put it on top, and then when the oven preheats, it's going in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. We're just going to drop it by little bits here and there. Y'all want to know what this tastes like? It tastes like Christmas morning. That's what it tastes like. Even without the cranberries and walnuts the other way the recipe was, this itself still tastes like Christmas morning. It's really good. The bagels, especially the top, because when we put that topping on, it's almost like a candied pecan top. Y'all know the candied pecans we make around the holidays? That could also be why it's giving me the Christmas feels. It's so good. I really like the bagels because they hold their, you know, they don't get all mushy. Now, keep in mind, I made mine in a glass casserole dish. I had to let it bake for about 65 minutes. If you use a metal pan, the 35 to 40 minutes will probably work, but since mine was in a glass, it took longer. It is really good.